average Joe, way above the average flow. Boy, my life is most dope. And I ain't gonna wait for nothing, cause that just ain't my style. Life couldn't get better, this gon' be the best day ever.
Good things come to those that wait. I'm tired, unshaven, definitely very cranky. Having to do a move is exhausting. And to my female subscribers, I know there's not many of you, but can you explain something to me? Why do you all have so much stuff? My girl, I swear, and we did this whole thing where we talked about minimalism and wanting to have less stuff, and I made her watch the documentary a week before we moved, and she was all fired up. And I mean, the amount of shoes, what is that? Can please, in the comments, any of my female subscribers, help me understand this. What's up, everybody? I wanted to quickly check in. Yeah, I'm pretty tired from the move here. Let me show you the spot. See, we got boxes everywhere still. So, I mean, this ain't bad, little view. Of course, I got the surfboard still. I'd say this is a good spot to come during a bear market out here. Have a nice little cry. But so look, I wanted to quickly just come on here. You know, today's price action, you know, it sucks. And I wanted to make sure that I haven't even set up my computer yet. I wasn't planning on doing a video probably till tomorrow or Monday. But with the price action the way it is, I wanted to just get out, show my face, because I have said that at the 650 range, I thought we would see some pretty big buy pressure coming in. And definitely have some big sells out there. So, you know, to me, I don't really get it. I don't. I mean, my big goal, the number that I look at is my deposits. I want to reach max payout. I thought if you're in drip, that's the goal. And yes, you sell along the way, but not right now. It doesn't, you know, if anything, I'm going to buy. There's not going to be much of a recovery until these farms get open again, you know, and people can put their drip in, you know, the BUSD liquidity pair. And you know, so I think that we're reaching close to a point where we're gonna see buy pressure step in, and you'll start seeing some larger buys. But yeah, I mean, it's, you know, it is what it is. Keep in mind too, you know, this is a crazy weekend. I mean, when you think about everything that's gone on in crypto, Voyager, Celsius, even crypto.com, I heard was limiting their withdrawals, which that's interesting, because I bought some BNB yesterday on crypto.com, and I didn't have any issue sending it to my Metamask, but it wasn't a lot. So it's just a tough time right now in crypto, man. And Forex and his projects, this is typically what has happened in the past. He's all about shaking out the weak hands. I don't see it going that much lower. $5? Maybe. Whatever available scratch I got left, I will be buying, because this could be a bargain of a lifetime. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't take anything I say seriously. I don't know what I'm talking about. You got to do what's best for you. In the world of DeFi, using risk capital, when you think of the risk versus reward with drip right now, getting in at these prices, especially if you haven't, if you're compounding the whole way, you are making out like a bandit. I want to be straight up. I think drip will get deflationary again. There's just so much that's in the pipeline. I'm trying to be an owner of a casino, because that's what I hear on Forex's AMAs. And look, I'll be honest with you all. The last one he did, I wasn't a fan. The one before that was fantastic. But what I hear him talking, I hear him saying, hey, if you want to be a part owner of a casino, do this. Casinos always win. I want to be on the other side of the table for once. Anyway, folks, man, my brain isn't even functioning correctly. Trying not to look at the price too much. We need Stunna and Crypto Kings to come strong with the videos in the next 24 hours. Got to get some of that hype. Got to get some of that hype like my man Puff. Once I get everything set up, once I get the computer and everything all set up, I'll be back in action. I'll make a much better video than this one. This is me just sort of rambling and not knowing what the fuck I'm saying. So anyway, folks, I'll catch you guys on the next one.